This is the Meepo V5 skateboard, and I absolutely love this thing. I was not much of a skateboarder until I tried this board, honestly. First of all, I have to say the very best thing has nothing to do with skateboarding. The very best thing about this is the handle on the top. I wish all skateboards would make this mandatory because it makes it so much easier to carry. The best thing is that when you're carrying it like on its side like so, you're not going to get the scuff from the grip on your arm when you're carrying it. So you've just got this little handle here. Makes transportability super easy. I also love that there's the arrow on the front to tell you which way is going forward, because sometimes you do not know. Really great beginner board, and I would highly suggest that you start with level 1 using the really good grip controller in your hand here. Start with level 1, get used to it. This thing curves really nicely. You can carve with it super easily. Really great to control. I love that it's not too big, but it's big enough that you can have a nice wide stance and feel super comfortable on this thing. It wheels really nicely, turns really nicely. It's just a really smooth electric skateboard. Would highly recommend it for someone who is, first of all, getting into electric skateboarding. This would be a great beginner board. So once again, highly recommend it, and go and grab yourself one.